Good morning, students. In this unit we are going to see capacitors in series and in parallel. Capacitors சீரீஸில் சேர்க்கும் போது கனெக்ஷன் கொடுத்தோம்னா இல்லை பேரலில் கனெக்ஷன் கொடுத்தோம்னா என்ன எஃபெக்டிவ் கெப்பாசிட்டன்ஸ் வரும் அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி இந்த யூனிட்டில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் let us consider capacitors connected in series. Consider three capacitors. Of capacitances C1, C2 and C3 be connected in series, and a battery of voltage V is being connected to this combination. So C1, C2, C3 are the capacitances of three capacitors connected in series. We apply a voltage of V to this combination. As soon as the connections are made, the battery supplies a charge of minus Q to the right plate of the capacitance C3. Therefore, the right plate gets a negative charge of minus Q coulomb from the battery, negative of the battery. And this minus Q repels the same amount of minus Q charge from the left plate of C3 to the right plate of C2. இங்கிருந்து minus Q charge battery கொடுக்கும்போது இந்த minus Q charge C3 உடைய ரைட் பிளேட்டில் வரக்கூடிய இந்த மைனஸ் Q சார்ஜ் C3 உடைய லெஃப்ட் பிளேட்லேருந்து அதே மைனஸ் Q சார்ஜை ரிப்பல் பண்ணி C2 உடைய ரைட் பிளேட்டுக்கு அனுப்பும். அப்போ இந்த ரைட் பிளேட் மைனஸ் சார்ஜ் ஆகும். இங்கிருந்து மைனஸ் ரிப்பல் ஆகி வெளியே வரதுனால the left side of battery becomes, that is the left side of the capacitor C3 gets a positive charge of plus Q. The same thing happens here in C2. Left plate gets a positive charge of plus Q, and the right plate of C1 gets a negative charge of minus Q, and the left plate of C1 left plate of C1 gets a positive charge, and the minus Q charge will be attracted by the battery positive. Now, let the voltage across the capacitances be V1, V2 and V3 respectively. As these are connected in series, each capacitor contains the same charge Q, and the total voltage of the battery is equal to the sum of the voltages across the capacitances. That is, the total voltage V is equal to the sum of the voltages across the individual capacitances V1 plus V2 plus V3. But we know that already C equal to Q by V, the general equation. Capacitance is equal to charge on any one plate divided by the potential difference between the plates, or the voltage across the plates, voltage drop across the plates. From here you can write V equal to Q by C. This is the general equation. Apply this equation to the individual capacitors. V1 becomes equal to Q by C1, V2 equal to Q by C2, and V3 equals Q by C3. So therefore I can write, substitute these values in this equation. V equal to, instead of V1, Q by C1, Q by C2, and Q by C3. I want to find out the effect of the capacitors connected in series. That is, I have to replace the 3 capacitors by a single capacitor which can produce the same effect as these capacitors connected in series. இந்த 3 கெபாசிட்டர் சீரிஸ்ல இருக்கும்போது என்ன எஃபெக்ட் கொடுக்குமோ அதே எஃபெக்ட் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு சிங்கிள் கெபாசிட்டர் இருந்தா அதுக்கு பேர் எஃபெக்டிவ் கெபாசிட்டன்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவலன்ட் கெபாசிட்டன்ஸ் னு பேர். சோ இதுக்குரிய டயகிராம் இந்த மாதிரி போடலாம். A single capacitance, capacitor of capacitance CS connected to the same battery of voltage V. The battery supplies the same charge, minus Q to one place, the right plate, and plus Q to the left plate. From here, you can write the total voltage of the battery V equal to Q by CS. Substitute the values of these 3 and this V. The final equation, I get Q by CS equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. Cancelling Q, I have 1 by CS equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. From this, I can give a statement about the effective capacitance. The inverse of the effective capacitance is equal to the sum of the inverses of the individual capacitances. So the conclusion is, when a number of capacitors are connected in series, the inverse of effective capacitance is equal to sum of the inverses of the individual capacitances. So this is suppose capacitors connected in series. Let us go to capacitors connected in parallel. Now let us consider 3 capacitors as before of capacitance C1, C2, C3. Now they are connected in parallel as shown in the diagram. In parallel means all one side plates are connected together, the other set of plates are connected to a single connection. To this combination, let me apply a battery of voltage V. The capacitances C1, C2, C3, and the voltage of the battery is V. As the same set of capacitors are connected to, same plate of connected to the same battery, the voltages across each capacitor is the same, but only the charges will differ. If a total charge of Q is coming out of the battery, let Q1 be the charge entering C1, Q2 and Q3 be the respective charges stored in C2 and C3. So the total charge Q is equal to the sum of the charges on the individual capacitors. As before from the previous equation, you can write Q1 equal to C1V. C1 is different, Q1 is different, voltage is same, and Q2 equal to C2V, Q3 equal to C3V. As before, I want to replace these three capacitors by a single capacitor, so that single capacitor produces the same effect as these three capacitors are connected in parallel. இந்த மூணு கெபாசிட்டரும் parallel சேர்க்கும் போது என்ன எஃபெக்ட் கொடுக்குதோ அதே எஃபெக்ட் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு சிங்கிள் கெபாசிட்டர் இருந்தா அதுக்கு பேர் எஃபெக்டிவ் கெபாசிட்டர், எஃபெக்டிவ் கெபாசிட்டன்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவலன்ட் கெபாசிட்டன்ஸ். இந்த ரெண்டாவது படத்துல சிங்கிள் கெபாசிட்டர் எடுத்துவோம். parallel கனெக்ஷன்ல கொடுக்குற கெபாசிட்டருடைய எஃபெக்டிவ் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால ஈக்குவலன்ட்ங்கிறதுனால சிபின்னு கொடுக்குறேன். connected to the same battery, voltage V. The charge is same Q. Charge stored on each plate. Therefore, from here I can write the same charge Q equal to Cp into V, the total charge. So this total charge. Substitute these values Q, Q1, Q2 and Q3. In the first equation, I have CPV equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Cancelling V, the effective capacitance equal to the sum of individual capacitances. From the equation, it is clear that the effective capacitance is always greater than the individual capacitance. It is actually equal to the sum of the individual capacitances. மூணு capacity totalக்கு equal effective capacitance. But in the series வரும்போது 1 by Cs equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 is found that the effective capacitance is found to be less than the smallest among the three capacitors. இந்த மூணு capacitance எது ரொம்ப கம்மியோ அதை விட கம்மியா இருக்கும் effective capacitance.